In this lecture, we will see how to install ACX Check plugin. You previously saw that I am using ACX Check to measure the improvement of the audio. ACX Check does not come with the default Audacity installation. You have to download and install it from the Audacity plugin website. This is the Audacity plugin website and you will get many third-party plugins from here. Browse through this site to get an idea of what additional things you can use with Audacity. You can see the acxcheck.ny file can be downloaded from here. .ny means it is a nyquest plugin. Audacity supports many different types of plugin and nyquest is one of them. You can check the details to see the feature and limitations of a plugin. Keep in mind, ACX Check has a limitation with noise floor check. It takes the quietest half second of the audio to measure the noise floor. If any such part is not available, it gives a wrong measurement of the noise floor. To download the file, click on the file name. The download will start and choose a location to save the file. I'll save it to the downloads folder. I downloaded it previously and I'll replace it. After the download is complete, go to Audacity. From Tools menu, choose nyquest plugin installer. Different types of plugin has different ways to install and nyquest plugin are the easiest to install. Browse to the location where you downloaded the file and open it. The overriding option is set as disallow for me. That means if it is already installed, Audacity will not allow me to install it again. If you do not have it installed, it doesn't matter. If I try to install it, it will show me an error as I already have it installed. For you, it will be installed successfully. After installing it, you will see the ACX Check in the Analyze menu. I'll show you the noise floor limitation quickly. The current noise floor is around -55. If I delete all the silent parts over half a second, the ACX Check will give me wrong value for the noise floor. For the ACX Check to measure the noise floor properly, at least one silent part should have at least half a second. I have deleted all the silent parts over half a second and the ACX Check will give a wrong reading about the noise floor. The noise floor has now jumped to -41 from -55, which is not the actual case. If you are using ACX Check, beware of this issue. You will get the ACX plugin download link in the description. If you are watching this video on YouTube, it is a preview of the Audacity course. You should enroll in this course to learn audio editing better. This course will remove all your worries about audio recording and editing in Audacity. You will become confident to do any kind of audio recording and editing tasks.